All right, YouTube, right back at you. Right now, we're gonna go ahead and put these two hoses on. I gotta put the hose up back here in this corner where my hand is at, and I gotta put the hole right here up against this. All right. So one goes here, and one goes back against the motor. That's the block of the motor, and it's the air compressor. It's where it's leaking at. What I'm showing y'all, got this tool. It's pretty much Carlisle tool. 14 millimeter. You're gonna need to do the job. That's a 14 here. Or you can use a 9/16, but that's a 14 here. And it's a 14 on the back here. I'm in the rain, but I got a rain jacket on. And this right here, what you see is the damaged hole. You see the difference? You see how it's broken up all up in there? It was leaking from here. It was leaking from here. I don't know if you can see that. Right up in there, the hole is up in there, so it's leaking from it. So we're gonna place the holes real quick. Quick little video, you know. Go ahead, put these gloves on. So to do the job, it's raining, but you wanna put some gloves on. I stay getting dirty, but I don't mind. You know, so we doing. So if y'all interested in anything like this, what I'm doing, just watch. If not, share the video with whoever y'all know that into fixing their own trucks. But what happened is, I replaced these holes here because it was leaking. It's an old truck, so most of the time you can do it yourself. This hose on this line cost me about $21 to get made. I had it made at Napa Auto. So like I said, if you need any hoses done, any broken hoses on a tractor, Napa Auto does make heavy duty truck parts, and they make hoses while you wait. So pretty much is it. So what we're gonna do, put this back here on the fitting. So just gonna put that back here. You might want to just hand screw it yourself. And we're gonna stick that back here on the elbow where I need it at. Put on yourself, but take your time though, because you don't want to you don't want to strip it. You just want to, take your time doing it. So you don't want to strip it on it, because when you strip, you got to get that thing out of there. You always want to do that. It's raining. You got to do it though. You don't take your time. You don't want to really rush it. We got no room in there. I don't really want to. That's what we're gonna do. Try to get that in there. The rain don't help for nothing, but try to move it over a little bit. Alright, so move it over like this. About it here. Rain don't help for nothing, but that's what it is. A little bit. thinking that you should have made me more of an angle on that, unless I bent that. Let me see. Get that up in there. It should fit. I don't know why. It's a little hard time on it, but it should fit. See if this side fit first. Make sure the fittings he gave me is straight, 100. That ain't a problem. Just gotta get that in there. We got it going now. We'll go ahead. All right. Tap in a little more. All right, got y'all tapped in a little more right there. So all you gotta do now is tighten it up. So take your time though, you don't want to strip nothing. Even though I can replace that little nipple, but you just take your time. Time consuming, but you gotta do it though. Definitely gotta do it. Definitely gotta get it done. Cause it's my money coming out. Pretty much when you losing oil, you losing money. You losing diesel, you losing money. I gotta do the tanks next, cause one of my tanks ain't functioning right. That's it. What we gotta do now is flex this hose here so I can get up in there. A quick little video, you know, a little teaching video. You know, teach you how to do your own if you out here doing what I'm doing. All right, so what you gotta do now, like y'all seen this right here, that's where that was at right there. The back wall right here. This is what I've been tightening it up. So what I gotta do now is put it here, and that's it. And give it a start. Hopefully the oil don't come out of there. And we gotta put this video up. All right, that's why I call it DIY, do it yourself. What we gotta do now, get this on here. Hopefully gave me this hose long enough. It'll be good. Now I'm gonna have to take it off and take it back. Okay, it went on. Y'all want to know what this is? This is what we call a primer, and this is your fuel filter. Just in case you get any trouble in your truck cut off, all you gotta do is unlock it, prime it, lock it, little starter fluid, and boom, truck should start. Don't take that off. Can't take it off, you gotta put it on. Okay. Shit, pretty much it, YouTube. Pretty much it right there. I'm gonna probably hit it one more time in the back there, just to make sure, you know, we good back here. And that should be good right there. Yeah, definitely should be good. You know, see if I can get to it in the back from where I'm at. Probably can't now, because I got that hose there, but we could definitely try to hit it just a little bit. A little bit, that's it. In the back of it. There you go. That's it. All we're gonna do now, start the truck. Right here. This one was leaking up. Hopefully everything is okay. Should have made it a little longer though. But hopefully everything is okay here. So it shouldn't leak no more. Now they should be checking here, check here, but we should be good though. It's the hole right here that was damaged. If you look at it, you see the coating here. You see it all breaks up there. That's a damaged hole right there. See? Turn it this way, that's damaged. No good. It's been in the truck for a very long time. You see all of that? That's from heat cooking that plastic. Alright? It's really no good. There's no leaks. There's no leaks on the back wall. There's no leaks here. Alright? So this is a return line of the oil return line, because your compressor needs oil in it. So this line coming from the back and the block goes through your compressor to keep it moved up in here. Alright? So what we did, spin it from last week, take the plug off. So what I did was to replace all my oil leaks. I replaced this line coming from the pump down to the reservoir for the power steering, and from the pump down to the steering box. Alright? But I should have replaced this line here. I wasn't thinking. I should have replaced this. But that will be another video. Alright? So pretty much, I just put the holes here, cut up holes here to keep that from cutting into here. Now I gotta put another piece here, but if you see right here where it's worn, right there is where I gotta put a holes here to keep this from cutting into there. Other than that, pretty much done. All right. Alright, YouTube, we're pretty much done here. If you like what you see, make sure you like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. We're going to get back after another video. We're done here. Alright, that's how you repair and replace a return valve from your block to your compressor. We out of here. Peace. One love. Catch y'all later. Make sure you subscribe to the video. Hit the like button, hit the thumbs up, and hit the notification bell so you get new videos on this. Alright? Trucker_DIY. That's what the video is going to be.